Okay, okay. So let me record the session and let me share the screen. Yeah, someone said restore with recovery. Who is that? I need answers for this question from everyone. In case if you are unable to talk, just chat. So
Sir, please give me the permission.
1 minute. Let me check. Yeah, you can record. Right. So I need answers from everyone. Bhaskar, from starting from Bhaskar to Venkat. I need answers from everyone. What option I have to use now? Restore with recovery or no recovery? I'll give you the hint.
Restore with no recovery.
I'll give you the hint. I have backups to restore. Now tell me which option I have to use. Bhaskar, Naresh, Vijayasri, Nandini, Shiva, Joshi, Priyan, Mahant, Mohit, Nagesh, Pooja, Praveen, Venkat. Yeah, just type in the chat. Okay, okay. Let me check from Shiva. No recovery, no recovery, no recovery, no recovery, no recovery, no recovery, state, no recovery, no recovery. Okay, no recovery. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so very good. I'm happy. Okay, so I don't know whether you have clarity or not, but at least you just selected no recovery. Okay, so as I have further backups, what are further backups I have? I have differential backup to restore. I have log backups to restore. If I'm having only one backup, that is the final backup, you can use restore with recovery. If I'm having further backups to restore, okay, use restore all the backups with no recovery, and finally restore that final backup with recovery. Okay, so in our last class we have discussed a lot of scenarios. In case if my database is corrupted on Thursday evening 5 p.m, if my database is corrupted on Friday morning 10 a.m, how many backups I have to use, okay, to restore. So someone said one full backup, one differential backup, 96 log backups, right? Right. So I have a question for all of you. So now tell me, okay, so Pooja, yeah, Mahant, let me give you the recording permission. Yeah, Pooja, I guess you already know the answer. Okay, so apart from Pooja, I need answers from other people. Okay, so I have one full backup, one differential backup, and imagine 20 log backups are there to restore. So now tell me what and all backups I have to use with recovery, what and all backups I have to use with no recovery. Please type in the chart. Please type your answer in the chat box. I have one full backup, one differential, 20 log backups. What and all backups I have to restore with no recovery, what and all backups I have to restore with recovery. And very important, guys. That's why I'm struggling. See, I know the importance of this. Regularly we are going to do this. Okay, so don't ignore this. Very important. What backups I have to restore with raw recovery and what other backups I have to restore with recovery. I need answers from everyone. In case Pooja, just you can answer at the end. Okay. VGST log backups. I need answer clearly. I need answer. Okay. It should be very clear. Take time. It should be clear. Full backup with recovery or with no recovery. Differential backup with recovery or with no recovery. All log backups with recovery or with no recovery. So I need answer like that. Take time. No problem. Everyone got my question, I hope. Right? Brian, Joshi, other people, you got my question, right? I
Yes, sir.
have 22 backups. One is full, one is differential, 20 log backups. So full backup, what I have to choose. For log backup restore, for differential backup restore, what option I have to choose. For log backups, what option I have to choose. I need answers from everyone. If we are not getting answers, okay, then that will be difficult. Okay, Shiva, full with no recovery, differential with no recovery, no recovery, 20th law with recovery. Brian, full with recovery, differential with no recovery, 20 backups, no recovery. Yes, please. I need answers from everyone. Full backup with no recovery from Nandini. Full backup with no recovery. Then hmm, hmm, hmm. No one is typing. Please type your answer, guys. Nothing. No, no issues. Just I want to check whether you understood this concept properly or not. If you don't type, then that's it. You are going to understood the concept, okay, in a different way. Full with recovery, differential with no recovery, 20 log with no recovery. Yoshi, no recovery, full differential. Abba, Joshi, what is that answer, Joshi? No recovery, full differential, 20 log backups. For every backup, you have to use no recovery option, right, Joshi? Full with recovery, differential with no recovery, logs with no recovery. Full and differential with no recovery, log backups with recovery. Vijayasri, I need clarity on your answer. Full differential with no recovery, that's fine. All the log backups I have to restore with recovery. Right, okay. So what I came to know is some of you understood this concept properly. Some of you are not understood this concept properly. Okay, right. Joshi, you're wrong. Brian, you're wrong. Okay, and full with recovery. Mohit, you're wrong. Okay, and who is the other guy? Naresh, you're wrong. Okay, Bhaskar. Okay, and Nandini. With no recovery and log. Nandini, which log with recovery? Priyan, wrong. Shiva, full with no recovery. Differential. Okay, fine. Full with recovery. Differential, no recovery. Okay, that's fine, Nagesh. Okay, right. Pooja, full differential 19 log back with no return, 20th log back with recovery. Very good, Pooja. Pooja, Shiva, okay, you both are correct, and of course, others one or two people only said the correct answer. Remaining, most of you are okay, wrong answer only. So, what we discussed, guys, if you use with recovery, you cannot restore further backups, right? So some people said full with recovery, then how can you restore other backups? The main point, this is the main point, right? Once you use with recovery, database will comes to online. Once database comes to online, you cannot restore any backups. Okay, you cannot restore any backups. So full with recovery is wrong, completely wrong. In case if I have only full backup to restore, yes, of course you can use full with recovery. But I have one differential backup, I have 20 log backups to restore. So you don't want to restore these two backups, full and differential, sorry, differential and log backups. You don't want to use these two backups. If you don't want to use restore your database with recovery, you cannot use other backups to restore. Once the database comes to online, you cannot restore other backups to restore. Okay, so the answer is full with no recovery, differential with no recovery, all the 19th log backups with no recovery, final backup. After this 20th log backup, I don't have further backups, right? This is the final backup, right? 20th log backup with recovery. Or do one thing. Who will remember all these things? Simply restore all the backups with no recovery. Finally, you can run with recovery statement to bring the database online. This is the shortcut. If you don't understand this concept, follow this logic. Restore all backups with no recovery. All backups with no recovery. The database will be in restoring state. Once all the backups has been restored, just simply run this query. Restore database name with recovery. Okay. If you don't understand this logic, nothing is there. What is there here? Logic also not there. All the backups you have to restore with no recovery. Final backup you have to restore with recovery. That is the logic. All the backups with no recovery. Final backup with recovery. Full with no recovery, differential with no recovery, 19 log backups with no recovery, and one final log backup with a recovery. I have a question for all of you again. Okay, why? Because you have to be very clear. You should have clarity on this. Okay, so I have one full backup and 96 log backups. I don't have differential backup set. Okay, now tell me how many backups I have to restore with no recovery, how many backups I have to restore with recovery, what and all backups I have to restore with no recovery and with recovery. I need answers from everyone. Quick. Right, we only get the answer from Brian. Nagesh, what is your answer? Okay, so fine. Fine. Okay, so now I'm happy. Okay, at least most of you, all of you are correct as of now. How many answers I received? All of you are correct. Okay, so I have to use Joshi. What is your answer? Tell me again. Very good, Nagesh. Your answer is correct. Joshi. Well, full and recovery 95 with no recovery and one lost recovery with recovery. What is that? One full. I didn't understand your answer, Joshi. What is your answer? Can you type again? Right, okay, that's fine. Okay, so the answer is one full backup with no recovery, 95 log backups. Okay, 95 log backups with no recovery, and final log backup, the last one you have to use with a recovery, or else all full and 96 log backups with no recovery. All backups with no recovery. Okay, and finally you have to run one query called restore database name with recovery. That's it. The database will comes to online. Right. So this is the standby means what? Standby means in case you want to see here. If you use restore with recovery, database will comes to online. And so you can perform all activities, read, write, everything you can perform on the online database. If you use with no recovery, database won't come to online. It will be in restoring state. You cannot access the database. If the database is in restoring state, you cannot access the database. Okay, if you try to expand the database, you will get the error. If you use with standby, the database will comes to online, but it will only allows read only operations, only select queries. It will only allow select queries on the database. You cannot perform inserts, update, deletes on the database. You can only run select queries on the database. Okay, that is the use of the standby. 99% we don't use standby option, but very rarely we are going to use. In case if customer is looking for, he need only standby option, then you have to choose standby. Okay, as I have further differential backups and all, I'm going to choose no recovery now. Let me uncheck this tail log backup. I'm not going to use this tail log backup. So in case if you want to generate script for the restoration, you can click on the script option and let me restore the database now. You can see the status here. Okay, you can see that once the restoration has been started, you can see the percentage here. For backups, it will show the status here. For restores, it will show the status here. Right, so 100% completed, you will get pop-up like this. Click OK. Now you can see here. Okay, see here, AdventureWorks 2017 underscore new. What state it is showing? A restoring state. If you try to expand this database, you will get the error like this. The database is inaccessible. Why? Because it is in the middle of the restore, so that you cannot open. It is in the middle of the restore, so you cannot open, you cannot access this database. Okay, so you can see here AdventureWorks 2017 underscore new, which is in restoring state. Once you restore the backups with recovery, the database will comes to online like other databases. Okay, so what is the query to restore the database? Restore database name from disk is equal to, okay, let me enter, from disk is equal to, where is my backup file? In this location I have my backup file. Okay, this is the backup file. Okay, so you can see here with the file move option, you can see this is the query. In case you want to remember, you can remember this query, but we cannot remember. Okay, so we usually, some people will perform, okay, GUI option restore, some people will perform query option restore. Your wish, no one will ask you try to restore with the help of query or restore with the help of GUI. It's your wish in which, okay, area you are strong. You can either perform a GUI restore or you can either perform a query restore. Fine. So I just restored a full backup. Now I want to restore a differential backup. Okay, so now let me choose differential backup. Right click. Where is the restore? Yeah, restore option, and you can choose database, device, browse, add. Where is the latest differential? This is the differential backup. Okay, okay, so finally uncheck as you already choose. Okay, as you already choose the option here, now no need to concentrate on this file space and all. Automatically it will be taken care. Only for full backup you have to take care of the files. Okay, for other differential backups, log backups, again no need to check it. As you are restoring on the same database, it is going to take care of it. Go to option space, select the restore with no recovery. That's it. Okay, just click OK. Right, so it was completed successfully, and I just restored the differential backup also. Finally I want to restore a log backup. Okay, right click, tasks, restore transaction log. You can choose transaction log. Okay, or else do one thing. In case if you are getting confusion, again choose the same way, tasks, restore database, choose only last log file. Okay, now tell me what option I have to use to restore this one, with recovery or with no recovery. Tell me, with recovery or with no recovery.
With recovery, sir.
With recovery, as this is the final backup. See here, okay, see here, the
With
database,
recovery.
yeah, the database is in restoring state, right? Now let me restore with recovery. Now you can see the change. Okay, let me expand, let me click OK, and database AdventureWorks 2017 underscore new restored successfully. Click OK. See here, now the restoring state gone, and just refresh it, and now you can expand the database, and now you can access the database also. That is the challenge if you restore with no recovery and if you restore with recovery. If you restore with no recovery, you can restore further backups. If you restore with recovery, you cannot restore further backups. The database will be simply in a restoring state. I mean, like it will be online, so that once the database is online, you cannot again restore another backup on the online database. Again, you have to start restore from the beginning. Okay, right? So simply I'll tell you. Okay, now I'm going to restore all the backups at a time. Now instead of 3 backups, can I restore all backups at a time? I just performed 3 restores. Now instead of that, in one restore only I want to perform the whole restore. Can I do that? Yes or no? Can I do
No.
that? Okay, so let's try. Okay, so restore database from device, browse, okay, add, choose backups. This is the full backup, right? Full differential, use control button. Okay, use control button to select multiple backup files. Full differential and log backup. Okay, click OK. Click OK again. Okay, so I'm going to restore with another name, underscore all. Okay, all backups I'm restoring, right? So now same. Now tell me what option I have to use, with recovery or with no recovery.
With recovery.
Are you sure? You can see here, see, first full will restore, then differential will restore, then log backup will restore. Naresh, with no recovery, right? You are sure about it? There is no
With no
database, right?
recovery.
With no recovery or recovery?
Sir,
With
with
no
recovery.
With recovery, guys. What is there to confuse? No other backups to restore. With recovery, you will get 3 times notifications. See here, one full you will get 1 notification, success notification, then for differential you will get 2nd notification, then when finally log backup also you will get 1 more notification. Okay, first thing is completed, 1 notification. Click OK. That's it, I guess. It just used. Okay, sometimes for older versions it will show 3 times, for newer versions it is not showing like that. Okay, so you can see here. Or else I want to show you the another option. I want to restore all backups by mistake you did, okay, all backups with no recovery. Then how to fix that issue? Okay, full differential log backup, click OK. Click OK. I told you, right? In case if you don't, if you are confusing here, okay, what you can do is, let me go with the overwrite option, or else I'll give new and I'll overwrite. Okay, new is already existed, right? I'll overwrite now. File space, that's okay, that's fine. Option space, let me uncheck this tail log backup, let me overwrite. Now instead of, as I don't have further backups, I can choose restore with recovery. but I'm going to choose restore with no recovery. Okay, let me click OK. See here, you can see here 3 times you can see here, but you are not getting success message. You can see 300 percentages. Okay, just click OK. Now see here, the database is in restoring state. Of course, expected thing. Why? Because you just restored with no recovery. Now how to bring this database online? How can I bring the database online? What is the
Run
query?
already.
What is the query? Restore database, database name with recovery. That's it. Okay, so now if you refresh it, now the database will come strong. In case, okay, in case by mistake you just restored the last backup also with no recovery, you can simply bring the database online by running this query, restore database name with recovery. Clear guys? Any issues, any doubts? Is it clear? Right, fine. So just now we discussed how to restore database in a same server. So let me restore the database in different server. Okay, I'm going to restore the 2017. Okay, I'm going to restore Windows server. I'm going to restore this particular server bash 38. Okay, I'm going to restore bash 38 AdventureWorks database in my local instance. Okay, so let me check whether my local instance is running or not. There is no big difference, small difference is there. You have to check that option. That's it. Means I want to show you how to restore database in a same server, how to restore databases in different server also. That also you have to know. Why? Because very rarely we'll restore the database in the same server. We'll regularly restore the database in different servers. So that you have to know. That is important. Okay. Let me check whether the SQL services are running or not. Okay, they are running. Okay. Automatic and running. And let me start the agent as well. Let me open the SSMS. So I have a question for all of you. Okay. Can I restore higher version databases into lower version of the SQL Server?
No.
So my question is, two questions I have. Can I restore lower version databases into higher version SQL servers?
బుజ్జి క్లాస్ లో ఉన్నా మళ్ళీ చేస్తా బుజ్జి.
Right? So Control V, can I restore higher version databases into lower version SQL Server? Right? So these are the two questions. What is the answer for these two questions? So for example, can I restore my 2012 database? Can I restore my 2012 database into 2017 server? Can I restore my 2017 database into 2012 server? I need answers. Okay, yes or no? So first one no, second one yes from Shiva. First one no, second one yes. Type your answers. So you got my question, right, everyone? Nandini, yes, no. Vijayashree, no, yes. Pooja, yes, no. Mohit, yes, no. Bhaskar, yes, no. Naresh, yes, no. Venkat, yes, no. Nagesh, yes, no. Joshi, I did not get any response. Okay, okay, that's fine. Yes, no. Okay, Nagesh, yes, no. So most of you are correct. Okay, so two people are wrong, I guess. Shiva, you are wrong. Brian, you are wrong. Of course, Vijayashree, you are wrong. Mohit, you are wrong. Okay, so Mohit, Joshi, Bhaskar, Naresh, Venkat, Nagesh. Okay, and Pooja. Yeah. So Shiva, Brian, Mohit, Vijayashree. You four are wrong. Okay. So the answer, you can restore a lower version databases into higher version SQL Server. Lower versions to higher version is possible. Higher to lower is not possible. That's why we have upgradation concept in the SQL Server. There is no downgradation concept. If you can restore a higher version database into lower version SQL Server, probably we might have downgradation also, but unfortunately in the SQL Server, there is no downgrade concept. You cannot restore higher version database into lower version SQL Server. This is very important, guys. Sometimes customers will ask you, hey, please restore my database in another server. Without checking the versions, if you give commitment to them, finally after checking the versions or after checking the, while doing the restore, there also if you don't check the versions, you will get a lot of errors. You don't know, it won't simply throw you, hey, you are restoring higher version database into lower version, which is wrong. It won't throw error like that. You will get different errors and all. Okay, so you have to be very careful before restoring. This is a very star mark important point. Make sure you can restore a lower version databases into higher version. Same version or higher version, but you cannot restore higher version databases. 2017 database you can only restore in 2019. 2017 you cannot restore in 2016 or 14 or 12 or 8 or 2 or 8 or 5. 2000 database you can restore in 2019 also. Directly it is possible, guys. Okay, so you can directly restore from very lower version to higher version. There is no challenges. You can directly restore a SQL Server 2000 database into SQL Server 2019 server. Directly you can do it, no challenges. But 2019 you cannot restore in the 2017 also. Why? Because 2019 is a higher version, 2017 is a lower version. Clear? Lower version to higher version is possible, higher to lower is not possible. Okay, right. So now let me restore, let me copy my backup files. My backup files are there in this server, right? So in case if I have to restore a database from different server to another server, first what I have to do, I have to copy my backup files. So my backup files are there in this location. I am going to the backup location. These are my backup files, right? Latest differential, latest full, and log backup. Control C, minimize the server. I am going to restore here. So where I am going to save it, I am going to create. So what is the shortcut to create new folder? What is the shortcut? What is the shortcut to create new folder, guys?
Control N.
Are you missing something? Yeah. This is the process, guys. Real-time process. In case you want to restore a backup from one server to another server, make sure backups are available. If backups are not available, you have to take the backup. Okay, you have to take the backup, then you can start restoring. So in case if you are restoring, you got a request, Okay, please restore this database in another server. There are no backups existed for the database. Now, which backup you are going to take and how you are going to restore? There are no backups first of all. Okay, simply you got a request. Right, so you got a request, customer is asking to restore a database. There are no backups existed for the database. Now what is your next plan of action? Joshi, can you try?
Sir, firstly, we will copy the backup.
Copy the backup means there are no backups, existed backups are not there.
So restore is not possible without backup.
Restore is not possible, so you will directly say to customer, hey, restore is not
Sir,
possible.
can we copy log files?
No, don't go for file level options. Okay, backup is not there for the database that you want to restore. How we are going to achieve this? Pooja,
Who will take backups?
which backup you will take?
All backups.
All backups, all 10 backups. Huh?
Again, re-question the customer which date you can want to restore the data.
He need fresh data, fresh backup, just by today morning or just now current backup he need.
So we can now we can take backup, full
What
backup,
backup you are going to take?
full backup with copy only.
No, we can take log backup, right?
In case if there are no backups, if you have to take the backups, take copy only full backup. Imagine customer is asking, okay, a database, now it is 8:49 p.m. right? Customer is asking database by now, current database backup he need. So if he needs current database backup, if there are no existing backups, you can straight away take the copy only full backup. Don't take the full backup. I told you, right? Don't take full backup in the middle of the week. If in case if any customer is asking, always you have to use copy only full backup only. As you are taking fresh copy only full backup, again why I need a differential or log backups? Not required. One copy only full backup is enough. That is the current backup. Why? Because imagine for taking copy only full backup, it is taking 1 hour. All the 1 hour transactions will be included in the copy only full backup, right? Why again you have to take the log backup? No need. Okay, Pooja, got the point?
Yeah. I
So
got it.
in case if we don't have backups, guys, very important, in case if we don't have backups, what